Hi! In front of me is Nokia 5310 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now you need to find settings and access them. Options in this case. Then scroll down, go into display settings, scroll down again, choose font size and pick font size for your messages by tapping on one of the options and selecting choose for your context and menu. When you're done, simply go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!